like, we've seen this. Oh, basement first. Cool. Go down the stairs after I did. Oh, God. Bad idea. Bad idea. That hurts so bad. Okay.
Everyone's like, oh, it's relaxed after normal days.
Bet.
As long as I knew how to read, I'm good. That's the caveat, though, isn't it?
Right?
Lovely arranged.
Yeah, I was thinking. I'm like, this is a little different. Oh, do they have a scavenger hunt?
Oh boy.
The tism. I like your headband.
Oh, thank you.
Look, they got the hiking sticks now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I noticed they have a new shirt too. Nice.
And we got every floor open today, so if y'all
Probably hiding.
Probably hiding. Or all the way at the top.
Hiding.
Hiding. Water's pretty high.
Like we used to do
Nice.
when I was a kid.
Cool.
They probably won't let you get in it like they used to do when I was a kid.
No.
But
That's good.
I don't even know what any of this is.
Really?
yeah,
That's cool.
That's why it was such a huge. I mean, it was huge. Huge industry. That's why not so much anymore because people
Right.
leave them, but you would
Yeah.
see them temporarily.
I remember. I'd like to go back there one day. Just because I don't really remember that much of it. Grease. Yeah. It's freshly greased, yeah, because it dripped onto the floor and it's still.
She said something about there's no flour in the bags yet. So I think
Oh.
maybe they're going to try to get it running operational full.
That would be neat. Okay, this is technically where we've never been before.
Yep.
I'm like, I feel special.
Been coming here how many years?
Literally. This is so steep. Why did I do legs today? Oh God. Oh God.
Yeah, they're a little more. I feel like they're a little more.
Little gadgets.
Those are clock movements. These are for clocks.
That's awesome.
We kind of give you a tour.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is German. This is a German grandfather clock movement. Pre-World War I, I'd put it about 1905, 1910, right in that time period. This, and you can always tell these because they've got the awesome dials.
That is really cool.
I love the dials on all of these.
They're intricate.
They're always round and they're always they're beautiful. This is a French Morbier movement from about 1770.
Wow.
It's French, and this is the dial for the guy. This is the maker, or not the maker, but the dealer. Sorry, and this is the town that it came out of.
That's cool.
This is all pressed brass, so it was a sheet of brass, and they formed it around that mold.
That's cool.
I have one in my collection it's 1780s, and it has the original paint.
That's really cool.
It's gorgeous. This is 1730s American.
Yeah, I was gonna say the hand painted.
The die.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. And
That
here's
is.
your maker.
That's awesome.
This is a cuckoo movement, so that's what would be in your little cuckoo clocks.
Yeah. My great grandfather was really into clocks and
Was
stuff.
he?
So, yeah.
This is a modern small grandfather movement. This one was made in 1976. This is a Hermley 451. It's probably one of the most common movements that you'll see. This is 1780s, and this is English, and this is what we call an English tall case movement. This one's already been done. I did this one in the shop a little while back.
That's really cool.
My daughter did this one in the shop a little while back. So it's ready to be put on the stand and be tested. We just haven't gotten to that point yet
Right.
with it. And we have a really interesting piece here. This is an escapement wheel, and this is a verge. This is out of the Jackson Tower clock, the Jackson Courthouse.
Wow.
So, just really, really cool. These two pieces, to put this into perspective, these two pieces are these two pieces.
Wow.
So that kind of puts into perspective.
The scale, yeah.
Big
That's
that is.
crazy.
This is a standard American movement. This is, she's a Sessions? Yeah. So this was made after 1903, this movement. So this is
cool.
This is a mantle clock movement.
Oh.
Right here. So, and the adjustment to speed it up and slow it down is right here.
That's cool.
And you can kind of see how she spins you back. This was in my boneyard, so.
Gotcha.
There she goes, I was holding the hammer. And you can see how a count wheel works.
Oh, wow.
So that tells it how many times to strike. And it'll go down into this big hole.
And then stop. That's cool.
And then stop.
That's awesome.
These are the hands for the tower clock in Jackson.
Wow. Old.
Yeah, they're older than you think. So that courthouse was built in 1908.
Right.
That clock, the original clock that was in there was from 1871. There was another courthouse that sat next to it.
Right.
And they moved the clocks.
Right.
Okay, so when in 1921, they had a lot of problems with that clock because it was wooden geared. So they went ahead and contacted the E. Howard Company and had that switched over to a mechanical movement, 1,000-pound movement, big old
Right.
ones. But they retrofitted everything from the old clock. So the weights, the chutes, the pulleys, all of that stuff was original. The bell is original, has a foundry date of 1871.
That's awesome.
These hands are from 1871.
I mean, they hold up great.
It's Cypress, that's why.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense.
So they were on the outside of a courthouse since 1871. And
They're still in pretty great condition.
not really. So when I pulled them things off of there, I was like, because I was just going to paint them and put them back.
Yeah.
I found out how bad they were when I pulled them off. So I contacted Pennzoil and I told them we got to have new ones. So
Yeah.
I'll manufacture new hands for all 4 dials, and I'll make them out of aluminum so they don't rust and they're
Right.
lightweight.
Cool.
And I'll take the hardware from these and move them over. These are counterweights for the hands. These hands are so old, they're not counterweighted anymore.
Yeah, all
I
the
should be able to put my finger there and they
and
should
be perfectly balanced. Yeah.
So there's no balance to them because there's no moisture in them.
Yeah. Been worn down over time.
Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll take this, I'll pull this, I will cut these off, I'll clean them up, I will cut them off and I will put a slider weight on them.
Right.
So the little weight can slide up and down and they can be adjusted. And all that is a piece of brass about this long with a hole and a set screw.
Simple
And
enough.
yeah, and I can get them in there and I can still use the original hardware for it. And you can tell these are 1871 because of the square hole.
I was wondering. I was like, I feel like that's a sign of the times. You don't really see that much often.
These are the types of springs that are in clocks. So these are open springs, which would be in your American movements.
Gotcha.
Like this one. And this is a spring barrel spring. This would be in something like this.
Oh.
So it's contained. This is German, and they're contained inside these, and it makes them much safer.
Right, so they don't...
They don't blow up.
Yeah.
And they blow up.
I'm
Trust
sure.
me. I'll just keep that one right there. This little guy, he is this is modern time strike. This guy is 1890s, 1892.
Oh, wow.
And this is an alarm clock. So
That's cool.
this is what they would have woke up to during the Industrial Revolution, a clock like this.
That's cool.
So here's the alarm, right here. And to set the alarm, you set it right here. And it's more like a timer than it is an alarm.
Yeah.
So you just set it for how many hours you want to get up or want it to go off.
Cool.
Very, very cool. And this little guy over here, this one's special. This is this is a George Marsh from 1858, and they only made these for a year and a half.
Oh, wow.
Very hard to get your hands on,
Yeah, I'll say.
and the paper's pristine.
That's cool.
Yeah, my cousin has one, and his paper doesn't look nearly as good as this. It looks bad.
Water damage and
Just over time.
fading.
1858. That's a long.
That's a long time for
Yeah.
something to stay pristine, yeah.
So
Awesome.
there you go.
Thank
that was the
you.
25-cent tour, I guess.
Thank you. I'm gonna grab a business card real quick. I'm
We
like,
work on almost anything. There's a few that I don't, but we generally.
ooh, wow.
I stay here all day.
Ooh, hate that. Hate.
Oh my god, I don't want to put my foot through there, but look, here. I could sit here all
Yeah.
day.
Look how much that's worn.
Can't you believe I used to swim there?
I can. Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, a long time ago. And it probably wasn't anything.
It definitely was not clean, Mom.
Sure it wasn't. I don't even remember what color it was because I was a child.
Probably
Cared
not.
for such things.
Probably not blue.
Oh, it's not no blue.
Ooh, I
It's
hate this.
Missouri, not Michigan.
Ooh, I hate this. Can I put?
Third floor.
This is only the third.
Just the third.
Man.
We have one more to go.
Told you.
Hey, Mom, can I put this in your purse, please? I'm tired of carrying it.
Another thing.
Thank you. I'll fill that out after. I'm like, ooh.
And, every time I see the water, I'm just like,
Water.
There you go. There she goes. Who knows? I may not ever pass this way again. So there we go. Turn around, look at that post right there. There you go. There's your stars on the post.
there's so many.
Well, they actually came from a tobacco can. They're doing a little scavenger of these guys there. But there was a brand of tobacco called Star Tobacco. And you could pop out the little stars. And so the guys who work here apparently use Star Tobacco. That kind of stuff I love.
Yeah, I was just down that's one of those things I like, it's just layers and
Yeah.
you don't see it. Any kind of smoking memorabilia, and that's the
Wow.
only reason I know that is because they saw
Really?
Yeah, and I read a whole little article about it, and they're like, yeah, they used to just stick them wherever, so you should say those anywhere, and that's what they're from.
How cool.
Yeah, so I love seeing those. That's why I thought they were going to be the big ones.
Like the side of the building. That's what I expected at first.
Never heard of Star. Well, I hadn't either until today.
I love that.
We learned something new.
You're okay. Very dusty. When we go back down to the clock level, I'm gonna have to take more footage because I didn't get the chance to.
Yeah, awesome. And very good.
They're like a ladder.
Yes.
Should be. Yeah, I hate this.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I kind of hate this.
46 and 2.
I'm
Buford's.
Buford.
Buford's?
I like how some of it still has the original paper and signages.
Minus the paint.
Yeah. Yeah. Eureka. Missouri.
I mean, if I go through, I go through.
That's
That's where I'm
Mother.
at this point.
Mother.
It's whatever.
I'm like, maybe let's not think about that.
It's not about not thinking about it. It's about whether it's going to happen or not. And there's nothing that's going to stop it. All right.
Mm-hmm. Tubular. That's cool. You're okay, Mom. Okay. Clap, 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 clap.
Scouring machine. That's augers.
Augers. That's cool. Sorry. Jesus. Cool.
That's funny.
Yeah, you take those strips down like candles.
Wow.
I would have wanted double stuff these ones. Just a little bit. Yes. Hey, at least kind of like the ones they were before they replaced. With the same part of property, they had to go through all the staircases. That's why you're going up some staircases and not others.
French millstones.
French alabaster with quartz.
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 Good ones are downstairs.
Yeah. Okay. Like, get the rest of this room because I didn't get much of it at all.
I used to want to on one of these floors that have like table set up on hand, it's always old, like wrenches and like drills and all this stuff. I told that woman after, I said, it looks kind of like my dad's shop. I said, I can guarantee he has
And then over here is George Marsh. And this was 1858. So the babies for Blue Ribbon. So they're very, very rare. This came out of my collection.
Oops, sorry.
Excuse me. 260 bucks. And this was in with that. I had some really good pieces and I had some really bad ones. So, and paper's pristine. It's all original. I rebuilt it when I was great. I just couldn't find my winder. The winder didn't run. And these ran for a day. They're a 30-hour clock, and they're weight driven.
Hi, Sleepy. Hi. You're like, let me sleep. Thank you. I mean, it's a big day.
It is a big day for lots of people.
Right?
We can go upstairs, huh?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't think I got to go up there the last time I was here when I was doing the last time.
Oh, yeah.
I've been standing on the rock, waiting for the wind to blow. I've been standing on the rock, waiting for the wind to blow. I've been standing on the rock, waiting for my sins to grow. I've been walking all around, waiting for the guns to quit. I've been walking all around, waiting for the pieces to fit. I've been standing on the rock, waiting for the wind to blow. I've been standing on the rock, waiting for the wind to blow. I've been standing on the rock, waiting for my seeds to grow. Gotta get back to the country and look around and find a home. Get back to the country and look around and find